And now it is time for the 3 signs that your shocks or struts aren't what they used to be. And here with number 1, Brian, hit us with this. What do you have to look out for? What would tell me, if something's going on back here?
Probably the first thing you might notice would be bouncing. If the car's bouncing, they got to be really bad when they're bouncing. Could be clunking on bumps. Could be increased stopping distance, or sliding when you're going around turns.
Why would sliding around turns?
Yeah, so that's a really good thing. What do shocks and struts do, right? Why are they so important?
You can hit stuff and contact with the road.
Yeah, contact with the road,
okay.
Right? So with a bad strut or shock that's not working right, your tire is almost like a basketball. You can bounce it, and it just keeps bouncing. It's not spending a whole lot of time on the ground.
That's not good for control of the car.
Right. Tires need to be on the ground to work. So the shocks and struts keep the tires on the ground as much as possible, keep them from bouncing.
And that's really probably their major role. You think of it as
really
comfort.
is.
It's like, not so that I'm bouncing, but it's like, no, it's got to keep the tire on the ground.
It's safety.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Controllability of the car.
Good way of thinking about it. It is. You'll be comfortable enough, but you're not going to be comfortable if you're wrapped around a tree because you were taking a curve and your car was flying like this, like the Gomer mobile.
Right.
Well, and what's it take to, if I'm, if something's wrong with my car, I'm thinking that's not right, just bring it in. You guys can measure. How do you determine whether or not?
Well, if you suspect it, we'll visually inspect it, because a lot of times they'll leak out. It'll leak the charge out of it, and then you see the seal in it leaking. That's pretty easy to see spot. Yeah. We can see if it's in control when you move the vehicle up and down. And then listen for clunks or noises. Okay. But it's usually a visual and then functional test.
Okay.
Yeah.
But in terms of listening, we have another video. It's on the website where we talk about all the things these guys can hear and all the ways they hear it. So a lot of great stuff to see on the Weber website. So check it out, and then absolutely have your car checked out at Weber Automotive.
Thanks, Randy.